days have been getting harder, falling apart. It seems like love isn't getting stronger between our hearts. We make it through the day, we're just enough of hope to try to make a way through the miles of our road. But love keeps holding us through times we wanna fall. I know these days are tough, is that through it all? What will you be by my side through the darkest days? What will you be by my side even though I'm in pain?
I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those signs. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you're in my air for every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We didn't say a word too much. We hid behind the daylight while I was longing for your touch. We never let the other in, 'cause we were scared to fall back into the old habits. But we will, yeah, we're on the track. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We hiding in these crowded places. 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face.